We'll guide you through how to fix the Microsoft Store not working in Windows 11. If you find this useful and it solves your problem, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, it may not go and be working, as in it doesn't go and open up. Perhaps you're unable to go and download apps or games or something else. We're going to guide you through different things you can try doing in order to go and fix different problems. So make sure it's this full guide, and hopefully we're going to be able to go and fix it. So to go and get started with the first fix, come to the bottom of your computer and click search. You want to go and type in Task Manager, like so. Come up and go and click on it. Wait for it to open, and in Apps, you want to go and find Microsoft Store and click on it. Make sure you got it selected and press End Task. Then what you can do is you can come and press search at the bottom, and you can go and type in Microsoft Store, and you can go and see if it will then go and work and if the problem's solved. If it is, great. If it still isn't, what we're going to do is go and type in Task Manager again and open it up. Once again, we need to go and find the store. So you can go and select it, and we're then going to go and end the task. For the next fix, what we're going to try doing is pressing search at the bottom. Go and type in run like so, and you then want to go and click on it like so. In open, you want to go and type in wsreset.exe. Then you want to go and press OK. This will pop up and the store should open up. Now go and see if the problem is solved. Hopefully it is, and see if you can go and download apps, etc. If it still isn't, the next thing you want to do is go and press the Windows Start button at the bottom. Then in here, you want to go and find Settings. Come over to the left and you need to go and find Apps and press Installed Apps at the top. Go and wait. Then you want to come over to the right and go and find the line here. Click, hold and drag it all the way down and find System Components. Then you want to go and find Microsoft Store in this list and press the three dots to the right and go and press Advanced Options. In here, you can go and scroll down and press Terminate. Then you can go and in Reset, go and press Repair. Wait for this to complete. Shouldn't go and take too much longer. And after that, we'll do a reset as well. Just go and wait for this to go and complete. Once again, it's quite a quick process. Now that it's gone and finished, what you can try doing is you can try opening up the store again. And we'll go and click on it. Hopefully now the problem is solved. For the next fix, go to the bottom and press search. You want to go and type in run again, and you then want to go and click on it. In here, where it says open, you need to go and type in PowerShell. Then what you need to do is run as an admin. To do that, press Shift, Control, and Enter. You'll get an admin pop-up, which you need to press yes to. Now head into the description of this video, and you want to go and copy line 1 by clicking, holding, and dragging. Right-click, and you want to go and press copy. Back in PowerShell, you want to go and right-click, like so. Press Enter, and that'll then go and run. Then you want to come back, and you want to go and grab this next line. Click, hold, and drag. You can then go and right-click and go and press copy. Come back to PowerShell, and you can go and right-click here, and then you can go and press enter, and it should go and run. Then what you can try doing is pressing search, and hopefully now you can go and use the store and the problem solved.